This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's September 9th, 2019. This one here I got a call for annual on a gas boiler. So I gotta go over there and just check it, make sure everything's working good. I might have been over there before, I'm not sure. The way he was talking, I've been over there before, so we'll make sure the burners are clean and things running properly. Yeah, we'll put a new expansion tank, the relief valve, and purge the air.
Yeah, you told me to push that little button down there about every 3 months, and I do, and it squirts water out, and that's it. And that's all we've done.
What button every 3 months?
That little pressure thing.
You know, I don't want you touching that relief valve. Are you opening that?
You told me to do that.
I never told you to do that. You shouldn't touch that.
Well, good. I won't touch it anymore.
So you've been opening the relief valve?
About every 3 months.
I mean, why?
Yeah.
I never told you that.
Okay.
That wasn't me.
Oh, you're the only guy that's ever worked on this.
No, I wouldn't tell you that. I mean, I tell people never touch them.
All right. Well, I got it now.
Yeah, don't touch it. Yeah, you don't want to do that.
We got your name right there in front. When any problem, they call you.
Yeah.
Yeah, nobody's.
Yeah, so don't open the relief valve.
All right.
That's a no-no. Pictures of everything. Make sure everything's legit here. Well, it looks like you got a mouse nest in there.
No kidding.
Yeah, it's a mouse, and the mouse is making a nest in there.
Well,
look at that.
Good.
Son of a gun.
Huh.
Somebody's in there trying to make a house.
Yeah.
Little bugger.
Yeah. Bet you they like it when it gets warm. Right.
Runners look clean. It's just that the mouse nest is underneath. I don't know if he's in there. Let's hope not. You got a little bag or something I could put it in?
Sure. I get you.
I got the power off.
Oh yeah, well, that's pretty good size.
I don't see him in there, but that's his house.
Yeah.
That's his home right there.
Yeah.
Little bugger. Yeah.
Well, I guess these guys we haven't had it on this summer.
Well, maybe that's come winter time he's hanging out in there. I'm not sure. Yeah, the burners look pretty clean. We'll hit them with the brush quick, but...
After you drained it and did that stuff, we don't have any more noise upstairs at all.
Oh, okay.
My wife loves that, because she used to wake her up at 2 in the morning.
Oh, yeah, a lot of noise.
I don't hear it, but she does. And she'd wake me up and say, did you hear that? I said, no, it's not sleeping.
She's hearing things, no? Is that what you told her?
She doesn't hear that pop and crack.
Told her she's hearing things?
Yeah,
Electronic spark. Alright, why don't you turn up a couple of zones and we'll check it.
Alright, we'll run one up here for you.
Put that panel back in there. Flipping mouse nest, huh? He's got zone valves here. I have changed that. A couple of zone heads maybe. I sell him the house, just wants to make sure it's running okay before he sells it. Electronic spark. You got 2 zones, I can see them too. Yeah. It takes 90 seconds for it to call.
There's one down here.
Zone heads take 90 seconds for them to call, and there it goes.
Yeah, I usually check this. If I look in here and the light's on, I'm not worried. It usually comes in. Yep, there it goes.
She fired up. Well, we got the burners all clean for you.
Alright.
Yeah, you don't want to don't touch the relief valve. Right. That wasn't me that told you that.
Okay.
That must have been someone down in Florida.
Right. I don't think Florida knows anything about heat. We got air conditioning down there.
Oh, you don't need heat down there.
No, we don't. We got it. It's in part of the air conditioner, but you only use it maybe, you know.
Oh, it's a heat pump.
Yeah.
You don't use much heat down there.
No, but you use the air conditioning. But I'll tell you, one thing's cheaper down there is electricity. It is a lot cheaper than here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got to be down there.
Well, I don't know
And
what.
you got the sub pump. Let's make sure that works. And that works.
Yep. Well, I'll put some of those mouse baits down there. Maybe kill them off.
Either that or put some mothballs. Throw some mothballs under there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they don't like the smell.
No kidding.
Oh.
Oh, all right. Well, that's fine. Okay. Just around the bottom of the thing.
Up and pull that panel off and throw some in the bottom.
Okay.
Mothballs, and then they won't build it in there because they don't like the smell.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, throw a half a dozen or a dozen in there because they evaporate.
Right.
Can you get mothballs?
Yeah. I don't have any, but I know you can get them.
You can buy a box of them for a dollar or some shit, you know.
Nope.
I'm just gonna put down clean burner
All right.
tubes. I'm not gonna say nothing about the mouse because the new owner might say something.
That'd be good. I would not want to have the mouse there.
Clean burner tubes.
Yeah. It's the home inspections that get you, but that's the other reason I wanted a new date on here. But we haven't had a decent offer yet, so we haven't come close to a home inspection. But we will.
Clean boiler. Yeah, so seeing your repeat customer, I won't say nothing about the mice.
That's very good.
Cleaned burners, clean burner tubes, ran boiler, fired up nicely. Alright, well that should take care of it. Zone 4's not coming on for some reason. He's turning them all up before I leave. And after 90 seconds the light will come on saying it's calling. Because it's got a delay on it. So it might need batteries. Zone 4, which is this one, addition is not calling. That's calling, it's coming down. That one's calling. That one's not calling yet because he just turned it up. Alright, there it goes. He might not have had it on right. We'll wait for them to all come on. What you do?
Turn it on.
Oh, you didn't turn it on before.
Well, I got two thermostats side by side. One is for this system, and one's for a little gas fireplace. And they look exactly alike to me. And I hit heat, set it at 90, and turned around and came down. I went back up there, and the fire's on in the gas fireplace, and that shouldn't be.
No, it's okay.
But now they're working, huh?
Yeah, we'll give it a minute, make sure it fires. I think I did something with this control, didn't I? No?
I thought you were the guy that replaced it.
Did I replace
It's not
it?
the original one. Either you or somebody replaced it.
Yeah, well, usually I put the date on it, so third kicked in. Now we just have to wait for the fourth zone to kick in.
Yeah, when somebody came to fix it, only one zone was opening.
I think I worked on it or I changed it or something.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the last one. We just gotta wait for this one to kick in. We'll be all right.
But that's been 5-6 years ago.
14.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Usually I leave a tag if I did something.
Yeah, that's the first tag I've seen down there, but I thought it was just 2 years
I might have just changed the zone head maybe or something. I don't know. I did something to it. I remember playing with it.
Yeah.
The wiring on it or something was wrong with it.
Yeah, no, I think you did that. Yeah. We've had no complaints. You come and when you work on it, it works. So.
Yeah.
I saw another guy that used to work. He's the guy who installed the original one. Can't think of his name. It's a French name. And he lives over in Westport. And he used to have an old beat up, look like a bread truck. Now he's got
There it goes. Yeah, all right. I know what you're talking
now
about.
he's got this new fancy truck. He was working on his house over here. And I saw him the other day. I was out running the lawnmower, and I waved down. I said, boy, business must be good.
All right.
You just laughed at
Well, that old truck is like mine. I mean, the things get beat up and they money pits. All right, so they're all working.
They're all working now?
They're all working, so
All right. I'll go
you're good. You're good to go. Circulator's working.
shut them down when you leave.
Yeah, shut them down. Shut them down. I'll get you a bill.
Okay. I'll write you a check. We'll be even. While you're getting the bill, I'll go shut them all down.
Yep.
Good.
For work. Are you ready? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. I got you. I got you. I got you. Are you ready for work? Oh, you love working. You love working.